the worst mistakes you could do is to walk in the direction of the snow, because once that happens, it'll get all in your face. It's like little needles. Ah! Good morning, everyone. It is currently March 14th here in Worcester, Massachusetts. And we are being pelted on by a big blizzard. Up to 2 feet of snow are expected. So let's adventure downtown and get ourselves a Dunkin' Donuts. First of all, we have to see if it's open. Let's go. Okay, so I'm walking backwards. This used to be the sidewalk. My boots are just sinking all the way through. Look at this shit. All these used to be cars. Now they're covered in almost a foot of snow. Cars are moving so slow. The street lights are getting harder to view. But still, there are plenty more people outside than there are cars. This goes without saying, but if there's a big blizzard attacking your hometown, please do not try this at home. What a mess. It must be the end of the world. Dunkin' Donuts is closed? What? But goodness gracious, I could barely see City Hall. I could barely see City Hall in all this mess. Guys, I'm gonna be real here. This is perhaps the stupidest adventure that I have ever taken. The snow pokes my eyes when it gets blown at high winds. I should have brought goggles at the very least, but yeah, don't quite have those. So the original plan was to go to Dunkin's, but they're closed. Miraculously, they are closed. But Honeydew Donuts, they came in clutch. They're on the other side of the street, directly across, and they were open. I should hear more often. The donuts they taste fresher. Yeah, even to get a hint of love from the flavor. Alright, I have finished my donut. I have finished my coffee. Now the storm has gotten worse. And I have to go back before it rains. It's gonna rain in a bit. And blizzard rain is never a good sign. That's what freezes on the power lines, makes the sidewalk super slippery. Yeah, I gotta get back home till then. This is the stupidest adventure I've done. Or perhaps one of the most memorable. It all depends on how you look at it. Yeah, there's quite some activity still going on downtown. Quite a few cars going, but it seems that everybody is either plowing the snow or is driving a heavy vehicle to help someone who is stuck in the snow. Here comes a snowplow. And here comes another. Oh, here come a few more. 1, 2, 3. Everybody's just trying to get the snow out of here. Just came back home for a little break. Now let's see how my school is doing in the middle of this blizzard. Is that a duck? What? This big, great looking snowman right in the middle of the quad. There he goes. I am back from a long day of pretending to be an Arctic explorer. My headphones fell. That was fun. For next time there's a blizzard, I should really invest in a pair of ski goggles or something. Because you don't want that snow just poking your eyes like forks. Oh, it hurts just thinking about it. But hey, I had a craving for a donut, and I got that donut. Even though Dunkin's was closed. I need to do donuts. Like I said, I should eat there more often. I may not have reached the goal the way I wanted, but I still reached the goal, nevertheless, and liked it, and was still satisfied anyways. So, good night, take care, kick ass.